Today we're going to talk a little bit about the chiropractic adjustment. And simply put, I want people to understand that it's a simple process of maybe resetting the nervous system. For example, your body is made up of systems and pathways, and it is all controlled from the brain down. So if we can take motion and influence the system from a mechanical basis and help those systems perceive its environment, then the body can run efficient. The body wants to be well. So it's good to actually get in, get mobility, treat the nervous system, and help that body and those systems recover. Go ahead and lay on your back. Everybody is different. They have different patterns, different injuries. Their bodies are exposed to different processes. On your tummy. So it's good to kind of go through this system, check what's working, what's not, influence that system. Let it go. Good. One more. Okay, put this arm behind your back. No one is the same. Switch it. Okay, lay on your left side. With him, we look for areas of the body, the musculoskeletal system, that are not moving well. And by inducing a little bit of a force, we can trigger that nervous system to respond. Sit on the end. Right back here. Right there. Okay. All right, way up there on your back. Let's check your hips. Way up there. Bend it. Bend your knee. Just kind of relax there. Again. Okay, go ahead and sit up. So when trying to recover from an injury, or you just want overall well-being, remember, try and keep your musculoskeletal system improving, keep the brain and the nervous system connected so that the pathways and systems can run. Make sure you're exercising, make sure you're eating well. Come visit us.